Optionetics and Tom's Trading Room Group. This is Tom Gentile here with a public service announcement for you. So, take a look at this. Simple bottle of Clorox, supposed to disinfect, supposed to kill the coronavirus, but it doesn't. It doesn't, and how I found out was because of my wife. If you look, this is actually the splashless bottle. If you turn this over a little bit and read the fine print, which I don't do, says not for sanitation or disinfection. To sanitize and disinfect, use Clorox regular bleach. I thought this was regular bleach. In fact, it's actually nothing more than water and salt. In fact, it degrades so fast once it comes out of the bottle that that's what ends up being left. Google it if you don't believe me. Now, what does this got to do with the stock market? I'll tell you what it's got to do with the stock market. Take a look at this. This is the S&P 500, all-time highs, drop, and all of a sudden now, as we've been going back up, I'm hearing more and more that the V-shaped bottom is in, that you missed the bottom. Jump on now. Guys, let me tell you something. Just like that bottle of Clorox, you think it's going to kill the coronavirus and it doesn't. I don't believe this rally is in yet. I think we're in for more movement to the downside. What's going to cause this? Two things. One, earnings, all right, or what I like to call what earnings, because most companies don't have earnings, and most companies aren't even going to give us guidance for not only the next quarter, but possibly the rest of the year. Two, we have an $8 trillion deficit on our hands, $8 to $9 trillion by the end of the year. Eventually, all of this is going to come to fruition, and I believe it is going to spell a double bottom at the very least for the stock market. So, just as I don't want you to get confused with this, I don't want you to get confused with that either. All right? Stick with me, and we'll be talking about not only the short-term probabilities in the market in terms of making short-term money, but I do and am looking at that long-term 12 to 18 month money because it's coming. All right, guys, I'll see you soon.